I'm Mike Peterson, light aircraft mechanic at NOAA AOC, and today we're going to be doing a number 19 EMA inspection on the Twin Otter. EMA stands for Equalize Maintenance for Maximum Availability. They do EMA inspections to make sure that the aircraft is looked at 100%. So they do certain sections so that you're always looking at a different part of the aircraft. Instead of doing just one annual inspection, we do it every 100 hours. Typically, we can have them done in 4 to 5 days. And there are 24 EMA inspections that we do, and then they start over at 1 again. We do a pre-EMA inspection before we start, which is basically a visual inspection all around the aircraft. We have cards that we go by that show us specifically what we're looking at, but ultimately you're looking at everything on the aircraft before you even start the EMA inspection, making sure there's nothing obvious, making sure that there are no issues that we need to address during the EMA inspection. And we're doing tire pressure checks to make sure that the tires aren't going low, making sure that tire treads are still good. You don't have to replace a tire during the EMA inspection. Basically just going all around the aircraft and making sure that there's nothing obvious that needs to be addressed. We have around 4 or 5 mechanics working on the EMA inspection at any given time. Each EMA inspection concentrates on a specific part of the aircraft. This inspection here, we're doing the left-hand wing, the tail and empennage section of the aircraft, and the next EMA may be the right-hand wing and the fuselage section and landing gear section. They're all different, but every EMA we do the oil filters, the fuel filters. We always inspect the filters after we pull them out to make sure that they don't have any metal contamination, to make sure that the engine is running correctly and there's no internal damage. When we're in a panel inside of a wing and we're inspecting one specific part that it tells you, we're looking around at everything in the surrounding area as well. We're not just looking at the one part. So we do post-EMA runs to make sure that everything is running correctly, make sure that all the parameters are right for flight, and throughout the 24 inspections, everything gets looked at multiple times. I'm Mike Peterson, light aircraft mechanic at NOAA AOC. Thanks for watching.